In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order shoes from Alibaba, an essential skill for anyone wanting to explore a vast range of footwear options that cater to both style and budget. Let's dive right in. The first step on your journey to a new pair of shoes is to go to Alibaba.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or just search for Alibaba in your favorite search engine. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface, designed to help you find exactly what you need with ease. The next thing you'll want to do is locate the search bar. This will be prominently displayed at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Then type in shoes for women, or any other specific type of shoe you're on the hunt for. The search bar is going to be your best friend here, as Alibaba's extensive selection can be quite overwhelming without narrowing down your choices. Once you've typed in your search query, hit the search button. This will bring up a multitude of options based on your query. You'll notice that there are various filters and sorting options available, and these can significantly enhance your search. You can adjust these filters based on price, style, color, or design to better meet your specific preferences. Now that you see the search results, take your time and browse through the selection. This is your opportunity to explore different styles, brands, and offers. If something catches your eye, click on the item for more detailed information. This page will provide you with essential details such as material, size options, and customer reviews. Pay close attention to the reviews as they can offer invaluable insights into the product's quality and fit. After you've made your choice, the next step is to add your selected shoes to the cart. This step is straightforward. Just click the Add to Cart button that you will see on the product page. But before you do, make sure to adjust the variation options. This is particularly crucial because you will need to ensure you're selecting the correct shoe size, color, and quantity. Alibaba offers a variety of variations, and choosing the wrong one could easily lead to receiving the wrong product. Once you are satisfied with your selections and all variations have been double-checked, go ahead and add your items to the cart. Now you're ready to move to the final steps. Click on your cart, review the items, and when you're sure everything is in order, proceed to checkout. The checkout process will guide you through entering your shipping and payment details. Alibaba has a secure checkout system, ensuring your information stays protected. After completing this process, you'll receive a confirmation email and your shoes will be on their way to you. Congratulations, you've just ordered shoes from Alibaba. With practice, this process becomes quicker and easier, allowing you to shop stress-free and enjoy the myriad options at your fingertips. Happy shopping!